welcome to Style Quotient. This is me, Trisha. So today we travel to a store called Creo, which is in Kemp's Corner.
As fashion becomes a prime factor in today's day and age, one always wonders where to go and what to wear. Today, in search of statement outfits, we come to Creo, a high-end fashion store which gives its clients the variety yet with amazing fashion sense. Creo was launched in 2009. Since then, Rupal Gaggar has been the buyer for the store. She is the person who decides what should be there in the store and what shouldn't. Coming from a background of fashion designing, she brings her impeccable taste to Creo's collection. The exuberant colors in sync with fashion makes Creo a gold mine for fashionistas. They brought international trends to Mumbai, and since then, they haven't looked back.
Basically commissions collections to small and upcoming designers, and we work on them, sit with them on designs, work with them on the trends, all of that. So for example, we have a set of designers, new designers for every season. But there are some people who are there with us throughout. For example, we have Hemant and Nandita Lalwani throughout, we have Swapnil Shinde throughout, we have Ramona Narang throughout. So these are the people who will always be there, and they have a look which my clients love for every day. Every time they come in, there'll be one client who will say, oh, you know what, I don't have this, let me pick it up. So Creo itself means to create, and we believe in creating trends, creating awareness about international trends. Let's say everything is available at a high street store like a Zara, you'll get the international trends. But there's a section of society which doesn't want to wear mass-produced clothes. With Creo, we limit it to 3 pieces per style, so you know what is going around. And we believe in a whole wardrobe which one can travel with. People are traveling so much, you can't have a wardrobe which is separate. So everything needs to be going from one section to another. What do? You can't go in your work clothes. Creo aims at making clothes from work to drinks. So what you do is, like what I'm wearing, I'll wear it to work, I put on a statement accessory, put on some makeup, and I'm ready to go out for drinks or dinner. First of all, I believe that Indian skin is so good with colors. We have beautiful hair color. We look lovely in bright colors, and I don't see any reason why people should only wear black or white or pale colors. As for neons, like we started doing neons. Neons have been on the international runway for some time now. New York, for example, which was all grey, white, not even white, I would say grey and black, is wearing colors. And Creo also does a lot of resort clothing. So resort clothing is all about colors. We're doing fun bright kaftans in neon pink, and kaftans are something so easy. You can wear them over a swimsuit, you can wear them just as a dress, you can travel with it, you can wear it for dinner in Bombay. It's got multi-purpose. We're following international trends. So yeah, the high-low, for example, this is a strapless maxi, short in the front and it's long at the back. I love statement jewelry, like right now I'm wearing this, or I would be happier wearing something even like, for example, something like this. Yeah, like just like around my neck, so it gives a very statement look.
Accessorizing, one has to be very careful. Our experts here recommend few pointers that can be kept in mind. Number 1. What are you wearing? Is it simple or glamorous? Accessorize accordingly. Number 2. If you're wearing very heavy earrings or danglers, limit it to just that. Number 3. What is the color of your outfit? Mix and match your accessories and colors. And number 4. Remember, sometimes simplicity might just do the trick.
We do believe in a lot of accessories because I truly believe, accessorization is very personal and it really brings out your personality as to who you are. For example, this is a plain tangerine dress and it's a beautiful dress, but how do you accessorize it and make it special and make it look statement? So you take a clutch which is like turquoise and it's so, it's completely contrast, but it looks beautiful.
Might not be able to carry a lot of things, but it definitely makes a style statement. Be daring and try on new trends. Bring color to your life. Let it be in form of clothes or the accessories that go along with it.
This is a beautiful lemon yellow, bright cheery lemon yellow dress. Again, it's very easy to wear at all times. You can wear it wherever you want, for a brunch, for a dinner. It totally depends on how you're going to accessorize it. So you take something which is more statement, put it here. Then you have your lovely...
The bracelet.
Yes.
That's something really
It's
unique.
very different. Let's get a really formal clutch from here. We can take a beige because this is already so bright and this sort of gives it like the nice formal understated evening look.
Shoes that match with your clothes, not compete with them. Combine a colorful pair with a plain outfit.
These are beautiful silk shoes. We have them by Trishuli.
Shoes are in itself a statement. Pick a pair which is comfortable. Always have a black and a nude pair. They go with almost everything.
Because I truly believe women should have fun with fashion. You cannot be a slave to labels. That's what I always believe, even at Creo. So even if I'm introducing a piece of clothing, I do not accentuate on the designer's name. I rather speak about the trend. Personal style has always been very comfortable, very easy, and very chic and sexy. I would say effortless way. So what I've done is teamed up trousers. Trousers are in such a big way. So we have various trousers. We keep palazzos, we keep straight trousers, something like this, which is high waist with a lovely bow and lovely pleats here. It's really fun and chic. We've paired it with a lovely printed top, and just to offset the whole print, we've put these chains, orange chains. And let's give it a simple bag here with these antlers, which is quite a statement. Now let's go to the last look, which is the party look, which also again Creo believes in not the usual dresses and everything, but something more fun. So for example, you have to go for your friend's cocktail or something like that. We suggest like a fun jumpsuit. It's one of those jumpsuits which will fit a size 8 and a size 12, and it will fit them all perfectly and make them gorgeous. And lovely shoes, of course, and a bag.
Has managed to bring out colors and trends for Mumbaikars. Come here and see it for yourself and pick up the correct outfit for your style quotient. Only on City First.